Hey guys, I'm Triana Brown from solidcore, and this is the right way. Today we're gonna learn how to do a tricep push-up. When I teach class, I see things that go the wrong way all the time, but this is a great move for your upper body and your core. So let's go over some common things that I see that can go wrong. We can get our head going up, our elbows too wide, our chest dropping down with our butt lifted too far, or the butt too low, and then an arch in the back. Now, let's fix our form. This is how we do it correctly. Come to that high plank position. Rather than having your head up, make sure your eye gaze is down. As you lower down, your elbows are gonna stay close to your body. Stop when your shoulders get in line with your elbows. On the way up, hips stay in line with your shoulders rather than too far up. They're directly in line rather than too far low. They're right in line again. And then your tailbone, it's gonna stay tucked under rather than arching your back. So elongate out that low spine and squeeze your abs nice and tight. That was the right way to do a tricep push-up. If you want more right ways, subscribe to Well+Good right now.